Somebody's touching.
Ang sarap ni Tami. Oh, nice. Mr. Tami. Nice star also.
Good morning, Philippines!
Warning mga ka-everything, masaya lang po yung umaga ko. Good morning, darling! Ay, naku, giingnan lang giti ka nga di ka mag-brief ba? Alam nyo guys, later on, I will be really mad. Because I know my routine. When I'm happy in the morning, that means later on, I will be really, really mad. There's gonna be something
guys,
gonna
it'll happen while this recording is still going.
And
that's how soon later on comes.
This is he's doing. If I'm mad, that means Tommy's doing something bad.
Yeah. Like moving, talking, breathing.
Seriously?
One of those things.
I think this is right? Not too dark, right? It's toasted. Okay, this is perfect. He wants some toasted bread, but not dark because it doesn't like hard anymore because it's hurting our gums. Uy, ako. Okay, I'm gonna put a thing first before I will do mine. Because, mga husband ko, good morning, guys. Pasensya na kayo sa tawa ko, guys, ha? Pasensya na kayo. Han, if it's toasted that way, honey, it smells good, love. Naku, talagang buhay na ito ba? Ang daming mga laman-laman dito sa refrigerator ba? I don't like it. Too much going on here. In the refrigerator all the time. Wala na akong makita, guys. Anyway, so, gusto lang niya toasted, guys. Yeah, I'm having my coffee, and he's gonna have his coffee. And I'm preparing his food. And he's preparing the kids' food because I told him na bakit inano mo yung pusa and then the dog is not eating, ha? You always do that, ha? Not nice.
Because the dogs don't ready for you until later. The cats are ready early, the dogs aren't ready yet.
Not nice. Not fair to the others.
And they still won't be ready. You're still not here, she'll go back and do this.
And she's under faking. Look at her eyes. Under that thing. Come on, right here. Let me look.
Oh.
You cannot even see his eyes, but me and being short, I can see. Na isave namin itong cellophane kasi dahan-dahan na siyang nag-scratch. So, itong cellophane at saka itong tablecloth kunin namin. Wala doon sa ano tawag doon sa bahay ni Biyanan. Ito yung gamit namin sa kitchen, di ba? Wala siyang cover, so why not daw kuno? Ganun na lang din. So gamitin lang daw namin itong cellophane na muntikan ng masira. Alangan every time na may gathering, magbili-bili, di ba? So gamitin ito kapag may gathering lang daw. So ngayon, kunin natin and then trapuhan natin ang cellophane. And then, labhan natin yung tablecloth. Yun. Serve natin sa pag meron tayong mga bisita. Yun. Kasi itong table kasi guys is expandable. Ma-expand siya ba? Mataas siya. So itong table na to, hindi man masyadong kataasan katulad nung sa dining. Pero pwede siyang mataas na ano na kasi siya guys. O yung cellophane ba? Alam, bili ako ng bili ng cellophane. Alam niyo na, mahirap maghanap ng cellophane. Ay, mag-order ka pa kung wala kang makita sa Walmart. And then, i-save. Ilagay sa taas kasi nandun lahat yung mga gamit namin. Yung mga tablecloth. Ganun. Sobrang ano niya, pangit. Pero that's fine. That's fine. Hello, this one I need to wash. This one need to be washed. Labhan ko lang to. Ibalik natin ito. Yung table is walang cover. And the soup, I'm gonna do it again. You're gonna eat your thing. Thank you. Mga gutom kami guys. We're eating. So, kain lang kami. And then, yung kay Tami is cold cuts and me is rice, of course. No, I don't want
Horseradish cheese.
No, I don't like that.
How do you not like it? At least I think.
Ang sarap ni Tami kuut-kuutin. Alam nyo bakit? I think it's my nature to kuut-kuut his ahim. Masanay na kayo sa akin. Magre-ready lang kami guys kasi po gutom na at saka ito naman lang talaga yung mga gawain namin. Kapag may mga leftover, kukunin namin, kukuha kami kung anong dapat kainin. Palagi kaming may leftover kasi. Linis tayo sa labas guys. Ang dami kasing cobweb. Alam nyo ba guys, na sobrang init guys, hindi ko na alam kung anong gagawin namin sa araw-araw. Grabe kasi talaga yung ano guys, ang heat wave dito sa New York, grabe. Wala nang ulan, walang ulan, grabe ang init din, sobra. So yan, sabi ko, punta na lang tayo sa harap ng bahay, maglilinis tayo. Gamitin natin yung walis tingting, pinakamabisang panglinis sa Pilipinas doon sa labas ng bahay, o diba? Naalala ninyo yan sa probinsya. Palagi tayong nagwawalis and then gagawa ng apoy para mawala yung lamok. Dito naman sa amin sa sobrang init, hindi pwede gagawa ng mga apoy-apoy na dyan kasi delikado, o diba? At saka mahangin-hangin din konti, pero yung hangin mainit guys. So yun, kawawa na talaga yung mga damo natin dyan. Pero ang saya gamitin ng walis tingting guys. Kasi walis tingting din ba, silhig man yan sa amin guys sa Bisaya. So, pasensya na kayo guys, wala ako masyadong ganap ngayong araw talaga kasi po talagang hindi talaga kaya sa power na mag-ano sa labas, maglabas-labas. Kahit sa garden guys nga, guys, grabe yung init, hindi kinaya. Yung ulo ko, kung lalabas ako, yung ulo ko sobrang init. Parang napapagod na ganyan yung utak ko guys. Anyway, salamat po sa inyo guys sa panonood sa ating short video. So yun, sana nag-enjoy kayo sa kaunting palabas ngayong araw. Bye! Mas kami guys, punta kami doon. Lakad-lakad, ilakad natin si Tami para naman na hindi maboryo. Okay guys, ilakad natin ito para kasi yung paa niya humubag, lumubo na naman yung paa niya, kaya yan, ilakad natin. Ang haba na ng mga damo, oh. The grass is really like the edges is really long. What? Oh, this is our thing. Yeah. Garbage. Okay, let's go na. Doon tayo sa taas, guys. Sa bukid. We go this. I'll go here, honey. We go here. This road. It matters. We can see the car. Okay, look yung paa niya. We're gonna walk really slow, honey, okay? Because your foot. That's over there in sa kapitbahay din naman. Oh, patay din, oh.
Well, this is like a little lake here.
Yeah, there is a pond. It's a pond. It's like a small one. That's where you can hear all that frog every night. Oh my goodness. Bahay namin doon. So yun, halos lahat lagi patay. Yung brown haggis running. Oh. Look. You okay, love? Let me know if you can't. We have to go back. Okay?
By the time I can't. Then I won't be able to go back.
Oh my God, then let's go eh. Come on, let's go back. Come on. Ang ganda, ha? Come on. Come back. Tami. Let's go na. Huy. It's hard later on. It's hard later on for you to come back. You have to hold your weight. Yeah, there's no tree whatever. Look, patay na patay yung damo dito. Ay, grabe. Oh my God, nice house talaga dyan, oh. And I really like the scenery over there. The mountain area. Yeah. Okay, we go this side because it's really nice over here. Hello, ay mapira may mga tao dito. I do like that. On the side. Okay, did you see that? Is that a house? Is that a house up there? That over there, the top one. Yeah. Nice, right?
Yeah. Who's that in the street?
The house over there, hon. The owner. The heck is wrong with you? Ang ganda ng ano, side, oh. Oh, nice. Mr. Tommy. Nice car also. Cadillac. Tara, pauwi na natin kasi ano na yung paa niya. Tawag nun. Pagod na yung Tommy. Yung likod niya ba? Yung likod niya, ang ganda talaga dito. So guys, dito na kami sa bahay. Natagalan kami pag-uwi kasi doon kami sa kalsada. Nakipag-usap yung kapitbahay namin doon. Nilalakad lang niya yung aso niya. Ang ganda talaga ng ano ko. So yan, dito kami. Continue lang siya sa kanyang paninigarilyo. Paninigarilyo ni Mr. I'm going in, okay?
Okay.
Doggy, look, smell the doggy. You smell the doggy? Oh, you smell the doggy, huh? Oh, we have another doggy. Yes, another doggy. Naamoy nila yung ibang aso, guys. Oh, yes. Another doggy. Oh, yeah. Tignan niyo itong ano ni Roxy, oh. Oh, yeah. Tignan niyo yung mukha ni Roxy, guys. Hindi may itsura. Oh, sino yung aso na yan, mama, ha? Look. You can smell the doggy. What? Did you smell the doggy? Let's go out. Come on. Come on.